Hey, hello guys. Welcome to this series of videos which I will be creating. So I will try to start from very basics where this series of videos will be more focused on installations and configuration of various DevOps tools by using both your local laptops as well as cloud systems as well. Okay, so let's get started. So I will start with the basic tool configurations, which is Oracle VirtulaBox, which is a main tool used for us to install any operating systems on our local laptops. So I would like to start this series of tutorial by starting with showing you the installations of Oracle VirtulaBox, installing operating system on top of that. So without any delay, let's get started. Let me open my browser, and so based on the operating systems that you are using, you can choose the installer method. So in this case, I am using a Windows laptop, so I will search Oracle VirtulaBox download. So the first links that comes up is something that you can open, and here you can see the latest version that we have is 6.1.38 platform. Okay, so we are using Windows first, so I'll be clicking on this. So if you are using a MacBook or any other Linux distributions, you can select the respective versions. So I'll prefer to click on this Windows host, and I will be downloading it on my, let's say, software, and save it. So based on this internet speed, the download speed will vary. So I'll see that my installation is that download is completed. So once you have the downloader installed, double click on it. Say yes. So you can see that your installation has started, the wizard has started. So you do not have to do anything here. Make sure all of these are enabled, and this is the default installation locations. Click next, next, and say yes, install. So this will do the necessary configurations of installing, setting up of your system for using Oracle VirtulaBox on your system. So yes, looks like our installation is completed. Then click on finish. So once your installation is done, you will see a pop-up coming up, and here is an interface that you can see once the installation is done. So you can see these are two VMs running here, because for the sake of this video I have deleted the Oracle VirtualBox from my machine and then recreated, so they automatically picked up the old operating system. So for you will not see any of these VMs running. So that's all for this session, and I'll come back next video where I'll show you how to set up Oracle VirtualBox and how to install your operating systems on top of it.